Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, and in this video I'm going to unbox this gorgeous kit that I purchased from Michael's. It was on sale, so if you want to see how it looks inside, stay with me. I purchased this kit today, and one of the reasons why I did it because it was on a pretty big sale. The original price was, if we round it up, $18, and it cost only $10 on clearance. To tell you the truth, I've been looking at this kit for quite a while, and I was thinking that once it was on sale, I would definitely purchase it. So the price went down, and lucky me, I got it. So this is a kit from Make Market that is affiliated with Michael's only, and the size is 40 by 50 centimeters, so 16 by 20 inches. Along with the sales on certain Make Market kits, not on all of them, but on certain ones, they also have an event going on: buy one frame, get two free, the same size or smaller. So I got these 3 frames. Mostly for kits from Make Market, that the majority are of 40 by 50 centimeters size. So let's open and see how it looks inside. I actually relocated on the floor because I don't think it would fit into the surface over here. So it is packaged very accurately in the plastic bag. So as always, let's start with the canvas. This is a fabric woven polyester canvas. The printing is very clear, no black grids around the symbols, which I like. Next, the kit contains 32 colors. I actually doubt that there are any ABs, but if there are not, I would definitely replace at least white color with white AB. And of course, this kit comes with the instructions and with the standard set of tools: the wax, Ziploc bag, stylus, and a tray. The canvas looks kind of pixelated, but to tell you the truth, I would not judge the diamond painting from unboxing. I had multiple kits that looked super detailed when the rendering looked super detailed while unboxing, and then turned out pretty pixelated when finished. So never ever judge the diamond painting from unboxing. Now let's look at the drills. As I expected, there is no AB, but I love the colors. Look at them. Some blue and green look super vibrant. Let's start with this row. Multiple shades of green, of course, mahogany color, a variety of some varieties of brown, because there are a lot of trees, the sand, lots of blue shades, of course, for the sky, for the river or pond, whatever it is, the lake. By the way, I haven't even checked the name of this very kit. Of course, it's like LakeView. I love these colors. Look how juicy and bright they are, like heaven color. Beautiful. Here they are. And the last row, again, look how many shades of blue. I love this one as well. Look how bright it is. And I'm pretty sure that I will replace this white resin drills with white ABs from Diamond Dots. I'm not sure if I'm going to customize this kit with any other ABs except of white, because the kit, it looks like the kit was manually rendered. I'm not sure if they render it from scratch, but I'm pretty sure that there are designers that work on it, because it looks pretty detailed for the size, especially the sky and the reflection of the clouds in the lake. So I wouldn't want to mess up the color blending by adding some AB color that is a few shades lighter or darker. But if I find the exact shade of ABs, I would definitely add them. But I'm not sure if I have anything like this. But white for sure. So that's how it looks. 32 colors, 40 by 50 centimeters, full round drill diamond painting kit, LakeView. And what I like also about Make Market is that they put an original finished diamond painting on their preview. It's not the original picture, right, of the artwork. This is a finished kit. This way you can say, you know, how it's gonna turn out, pixelated or not. And that's how you can decide whether you like it or not. So I also purchased one more kit from Make Market, which was also on sale, Unicorn. I have to pick it up from one of Michael's stores, not the closest for me, so most likely I will go there tomorrow to pick it up. And I will check if they have any more kits on sale. Hopefully they do, and then I will purchase them as well. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and once I finish my Santa kit, I will start working on the LakeView one. See you.